Oh my God, this is huge. This is how it looks blended. It looks really good. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fall is officially here in my book. It is finally cooling down here in Chicago, and I don't know, something about like the chilly weather, it just makes me want to like curl up, read a book, drink a coffee. And lately I've been trying to make my coffees more from home just as a way to save money. I'm going out to Starbucks or Dunkin' and spending like $5, $6, $7 on a coffee, and it's adding up and it's pretty crazy. But today I'm so excited because JAVVY sent me a package and we're gonna be trying out their Proffee, which is their protein coffee today. And I've heard so much about it on TikTok and Instagram and so many different flavors and things like that. So I'm just really excited to try the one that they sent me today. This is gonna be an unboxing and a full honest review. I just wanna pop in here real quick and say that this video is sponsored by JAVVY, but even though it is sponsored by them, these opinions are my own. So I'm giving you guys my true thoughts on the coffee. All right, let's get back into it. Here's the package. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh my God, this is huge. Okay, so they sent me their protein coffee in the flavor French vanilla. Vanilla is like my favorite iced latte flavor. So I'm really excited to try this out. It says 10 grams of protein per scoop, though I did see a lot of people were adding multiple scoops to their coffee. So they're getting like 20 grams of protein, which is really awesome. The cool thing about this is you just mix this in with a base, so like milk or water, and mix it up and it instantly turns into a protein coffee, which I think is really cool. Just like super easy, 0 sugar and only 70 calories per scoop. That's really good. So if you're looking to be in a calorie deficit or track your calories, that's super helpful. And lately I've been into tracking my calories, so this is gonna make it super easy for me to do so. It delivers a no-hassle, sugar-free blend of flavor and nutrition, free from unwanted additives, fillers, and stevia. Nice. So it's 100% real coffee. That is exciting to me. And I will say, because it is protein coffee, I'm a little curious to see how proteiny it tastes. Like, one of the issues that I have with protein bars is you can like really taste the protein in there. So I'm curious to see if it actually tastes like a French vanilla coffee or if it tastes like the protein powder. I'm back. I haven't tried it yet. It looks really good. Oh, it does smell like French vanilla. I'm actually really surprised. It doesn't smell any different. Like it does smell like a French vanilla iced latte. I just used my regular like milk frother and it worked really well actually. I probably could have just mixed it up for like 30 seconds longer before I dumped ice in, but this is how it looks blended. It looks really good. All right, first taste test. Okay, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Okay, that's really good. I used my 2% milk as a base for this coffee. Now, it says you can use water, but I normally like to drink iced lattes, so those have a lot of milk in them anyways. This is good. Like, it doesn't taste like it's 0 sugar. The vanilla flavor actually is like a little bit of sweetness in it. And it does have a coffee flavor. Like, it doesn't taste like you're drinking something super proteiny, which is what I like about it. It does taste like coffee. That is pretty freaking good. I put it in like a little beer glass so you guys could see because it's nice and clear for you. Wow. Now this is just the French vanilla flavor, but they do have a ton of other flavors that I saw on their website. Like I believe they have caramel. I saw that they have some fall flavors coming out, but this is really good. I did just choose to do 1 scoop of protein because I wanted like a standard baseline of how it tasted. But like I said earlier in the video, a lot of people will add 2 scoops to get 20 grams of protein. So if you're really trying to get a lot more protein into your diet, that is a really easy way to do that. Now, one of the things that I did mention earlier, why'd the sun go away? One of the things that I did mention earlier that I was a little concerned about was it having like a chalky, proteiny kind of taste to it. And it doesn't have that. So like when I bite into a protein bar, it's like the first flavor that you taste is not like the vanilla or the chocolate that it's supposed to have. It's usually of like the protein flavor. The first flavor that I taste with this is vanilla. Like, how does that work? That is so freaking good. One thing about the protein coffee is it does have 80 milligrams of caffeine, so you definitely get your caffeine fix with just 1 scoop, so that's really nice. I do have a discount code for you guys. I'm gonna put it here on the screen. It will save you 20% off your first JAVVY protein coffee order. Be sure to check out their website. I will have everything linked in the description box below, along with my discount code, so you guys can check out all of their really cool products online. Thank you so much to JAVVY for sponsoring this week's video. It was so much fun trying out this French vanilla protein coffee. It was really, really freaking good. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna go drink my coffee now. Bye.